Hello my fellow bee swarmers. Today, I will show you the new bee swarm update. And it's about stickers. There are also some new stuff around the map. Like this sticker printer. And this new hive hub. I don't know if this one is new, but it's here. And the meteor shower is now there. Now I will go find some stickers. I finally found a sticker. And it's a giraffe. Oh yay, this is how you place a sticker. And if you don't want a sticker anymore, click Peel. And this is the sticker stacker. You put some of your stickers to get boost. Like this. And it will give you a boost for 15 minutes. There's also a new sticker planter. It costs 100 Robux. It's time for the hive hub. It's so yellow. Here you can take a sticker every 24 hours. And this is for the new quest. And these are the materials. And it also costs 7 million honey. And there's also new hive colors, like pink, red, blue, green, white, and black. And there's also a new ticket sprout. And this is probably a timer for the ticket sprout. That's all I have for this video. And thank you for watching. Goodbye.